Popeye, it's a dog! What's his name, Popeye?
I calls him Zsa-Zsa.
I'll let Zsa-Zsa go out and play.
Zsa-Zsa don't get into no trouble out there.
Oh, it's such a lovely day. The air is full of smog. It's such a perfect day to catch myself a dog.
Popeye, something's wrong with Zsa-Zsa!
Uh-oh, the dog catchers catch Zsa-Zsa.
Help! Police, I've been robbed!
Brings back me dog, you horse thief.
Oh, Popeye, he's gone! What are we gonna do?
The best way to catch a dog napper is to be a dog.
Oh, Popeye, you look 10 years younger.
I'll just stays in here and acts like a dog.
Oh.
Then, when that dog catcher comes along, whammo!
Oh, I hope it works, Rover. I mean Popeye.
Don't worry your pretty head, Olive. I am smarter than the average dog.
Popeye, here comes the dog catcher.
Oh, it's such a lovely day. The air is full of smog. It's such a perfect day to catch a big fat dog. I'll be doggone. A new dog in the neighborhood. Shit, what a ugly hound. Oh, shut up, mutt.
Popeye, I
Okay, hound dog. Out. Oh, shut up. In you go, you schmo.
Well, I'll be doggone. It's Zsa-Zsa. I has guts to bust out of here. Nothing like spinach-flavored dog biscuits. Hot diggity dog.
What's going on out there?
Don't worry, Zsa-Zsa. I'll take you back to Olive.
Oh, no, you don't. Put my dog down.
Now, just a doggone minute. Zsa-Zsa is my dog.
Your dog? Oh no. A talking dog? What kind of dog are you, anyhow?
What else? A boxer. That'll teaches you to be kind of dumb animals like me and Zsa-Zsa.
And this'll teach you to be kind of dumb animals like me.
This equals start. Well, Zsa-Zsa, our troubles are over. The cops.
All right, where's your license?
All I got is me dog's license.
Oh, no.
dog couldn't have talked.
Of course not. Animals don't talk.
I never heard of anything so preposterous.
I saved Dolly's poodle 'cause I used me noodle. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man.